the front before the storm comes. We'll see how hard this storm hits. Look at Tula. They look so weird. Like they have such a weird shape. But I love the color and the peony. Oh my gosh. Yeah, like the storms and the trees are. Okay. We'll see how crazy this storm is, whatever it is, and if it comes over here or not. Listen, I'm coming and just looking at my flowers before the storm comes, and we don't know how hard the storm is gonna be. Look at the peony, finally, one of them, and it's cloudy. So. Everything else is pretty much dying now. Look at this. I see that one popping up. And they look like they're going to be this big old flower, but they're not. Yeah, but they're just like... Anyways, I'm going to go inside, watch a movie, finish... Yeah, I just want to show that too.